Hi everyone, my name is Tressa and today me and my friend Valerie would like to talk about the role of nuclear science and technology to contribute to meet UN Sustainable Development Goals in food security.
Hello everyone, my name is Valerie. Nowadays, hunger is happening all around the world, especially in Africa and Somalia. Due to the lack of supply, the people living there is also less of nutrient for their growth. While the number of starving and malnourished in Africans is extremely high. And do you know how many people died because of starvation in Somalia in 1991? It's about 260,000 people died.
So what exactly is UN? UN is an international organization that has been founded in 1945 after the Second World War by 51 countries. It is committed to maintaining international peace and security, developing friendly relations between nations, and promoting social progress, better living standards, and human rights.
What is the goal of UN toward hunger? It is zero hunger. What is meant by zero hunger? The goal zero hunger is meant to end the hunger and achieve the food security and improve nutrition and provide a better agriculture. So why we need to achieve this goal? It is because extreme hunger and less of nutrition is a big issue that people cannot easily escape. About 690 million people suffer hunger in 2019 and mainly in Asia and Africa. If this trend continued, an estimated 840 million people will suffer hunger in 2030.
Besides natural disasters, there's also some other factors that caused by human being ourselves that may lead to food shortage. For example, conflict such as war. War might cause food shortage and severe disruption of economic activities, threatening the means of survival of entire population. This is because the farms, livestock, and civilian infrastructure that had been used in agriculture are being destroyed while the war. So now the question is, how do we reach the goal of zero hunger? After years and years of science and technology development, we can say that nuclear science and technology could be the best solution to solve this problem. Nuclear science and technology can be defined as the reaction involved in radiation, such as neutron, gamma ray, and other charged particles with nuclei. Nuclear science and technology does not only increase the amount of food supply, but also increase the food security. Food security, in other words, means that all people at all times has physical, social, and economic access to sufficient and healthy food that meet their food preference for an active and healthy life.
The role of NST in agriculture is to help to reduce the use of fertilizer. It can help to reduce the pollution that may lead to soil pollution. When the soil is polluted, the veg plant will be not healthy and doesn't have enough nutrient, and the soil cannot be longer used. So by reducing the use of fertilizer, we can also ensure the food security.
Second of all, nuclear science and technology can be used in seed mutation. Mutation breeding, sometimes referred as variation breeding. It is the process of exposing seed to chemicals, radiation, or enzyme in order to generate mutants with desirable trait to be bred. Basically, it just means that the genetic of the seed changes and eventually evolve to become better, which means that these seeds has higher resistance to some diseases and provide better yields. Plants created using this technique is called mutagenic plants. It is beneficial to us humans because it enhances global food security. By this technique, crops are easier to grow and survive till they can be harvested and be eaten. Last but not least, nuclear science and technology can be used in marker-assisted breeding. The marker acts as a dot to identify the desired trait that has been wanted by the scientist in order to produce better genetic traits for the plant. Before the existence of this technology, scientists need to identify the traits of each plant step by step. This is not only just time-consuming, but it is also wasting a lot of energy and money. But with the help of nuclear science and technology in this process, the desired traits can be identified easily and quickly. This speeds up the whole process and helps in improvements of food security.